Hello, Marty Donovan here for another Mastering the Marketplace video. Partner Center provides dashboards that help Microsoft commercial marketplace publishers analyze the data related to their marketplace offers, customers, transactions, and other activities on Marketplace. This video provides an overview of the summary dashboard in commercial marketplace analytics in Partner Center. Let's take a look at what we will cover in this module. In this video, we will cover the analytics available in Partner Center to keep track of the performance of marketplace offers. Next, we will provide an overview of dashboard elements that are available on any dashboard in commercial marketplace analytics. Then we will introduce the summary dashboard. And finally, I will provide a brief overview of all widgets in the summary dashboard. Now we start with commercial marketplace analytics. In this section, we will demo commercial marketplace analytics in Partner Center. Now we have to cover how to access commercial marketplace analytics. To leverage commercial marketplace analytics, a publisher needs to be enrolled in the commercial marketplace program. End users need to be assigned the developer or manager role on the publisher account to access commercial marketplace analytics. Next, we have our first demo. In our demo, we will be covering the following topics. You sign into Partner Center at partner.microsoft.com. After you're signed into Partner Center, you click on the Insights workspace. The Insights workspace is a unified analytics hub which addresses all the data, analytics, and intelligence needs for different Microsoft partners in Partner Center. Inside the Insights workspace, there's a set of dashboards in Commercial Marketplace Analytics under Commercial Marketplace on the left. For example, you'll see there's a summary dashboard, there's a revenue dashboard, orders dashboard, and so on. Later in this video, we will go in depth on the summary dashboard. Now we will cover common dashboard elements. In this section, we will demo the various dashboard elements that are common to all dashboards in commercial marketplace analytics and how to use them. And these are the common dashboard elements we will cover in the demo. This is the commercial marketplace analytics section of the Insights workspace. On the summary dashboard, notice across the top you see a series of common dashboard elements like download, share, and notifications. Now, if you look at the Marketplace Insights dashboard, guess what? You see the same three items, download, share, and notifications. Now I will walk you through each common dashboard element using the Marketplace Insights dashboard. To download the data for this dashboard, select Download Data from the download list. You can also download a snapshot of the dashboard by selecting Download as PDF. You can also share this widget by clicking on the share link, providing an email address, typing your message. You can also provide a copy of an image of the widget you can share via Teams. If you click on notifications, you can learn about changes and enhancements that were made to the dashboard. If you click data refresh details, you see how often the data has been refreshed. Here you'll see the maximum latency for data on this report is up to 48 hours. Then if you have feedback, you can provide feedback on the experience. You also can customize the date range of the dashboards by selecting 6 months, 12 months, or a custom date range over the last 12 months. Each dashboard also allows you to filter. This dashboard allows you to filter based on marketplace offer name. Next, we cover the summary dashboard. In this section, we will introduce the summary dashboard and demo the common widget elements in the summary dashboard. These are the topics that we will cover in this demo. First, we will start off by showing the summary dashboard. This dashboard displays graphs, trends, and values of aggregate data that summarize marketplace activity for your marketplace offers. Now we will cover common widget elements on the summary dashboard by looking at the Marketplace Insights widget. If you click the ellipsis or three dots, you can do the following three things. You can copy as an image, you can download it as a CSV, or you can download the image as a PDF. Next, we will walk through the summary dashboard in more detail. In this section, we have a demo that walks through all the widgets on the summary dashboard. Now for the demo. This is a demo environment, so we don't have access to all the report widgets. Therefore, I will first demo the widgets we can see in the demo environment, and then show you screenshots of the other widgets. We will cover the following widgets in this demo. Now I'm going to go through all the widgets on the summary dashboard. First, we'll start with the Marketplace Insights widget. Notice you see the page count and the unique visitors. You can also select the tab for the traffic for each storefront. If you go down below and you click View Details, it'll take you to the dashboard with more detail for Marketplace Insights. You can do this for any of the dashboards on the summary dashboard. Now we'll go back to the summary dashboard and look at the Customers widget. The Customers widget displays a count and trend of the total number of active insured customers during the selected month range. The percentage value represents the amount of growth. Now we'll look at the Subscriptions widget. This widget displays the count of all active and canceled subscription purchases for the selected month range. The percentage value represents the change in active and canceled subscriptions. Then if we go to the Usage widget, this widget represents the total customers' usage. For Azure Virtual Machine offers, it represents normalized and raw usage hours. For offers with custom meters, it represents the metered usage of an offer and meter ID. The widget displays a count and trend of the total usage units for the selected month range. Now we'll look at Geographical Spread widget. This widget has a series of metrics or counters across the top. If you click on the various counters, you'll see what the values are for those counters across different geographical regions. Now I will start covering the widgets which I don't have data for in the demo environment. Notice this widget is only applicable to Azure Virtual Machine offers. Select a marketplace category and a corresponding VM offer. The total represents the total count of the customers using the VM offer. It also shows the count of customers who are active or using the selected offer on different milestones. Day 0, day 2, day 14, day 20 of their usage journey. The line graph represents the same information visually. Now to the next widget. This widget is only applicable to Azure Application Offers. This widget represents the quality of service provided to your customers. It shows the count and trend of successful and failed deployments of Azure applications for the selected month range. The metrics are calculated for both solution templates and managed applications. Now to the next widget. Notice this widget is only applicable to Dataverse and Power App offers. This widget shows the total and monthly trend of provisioned and assigned licenses of your offers listed in Marketplace storefronts. Now, we cover the last widget in our demo. This widget shows the average rating, total number of ratings, and count of all offers listed in the Marketplace storefronts, AppSource and Azure Marketplace. The widget also shows the name and ratings of the highest and lowest rated offers. Now to close this out. After watching this module, a partner should know the main analytics available in Partner Center to understand the performance of their offers published in the commercial marketplace.
Thank you for joining us for another video from Mastering the Marketplace, the learning library where technologists go to get their offer on the Microsoft Marketplace. For more videos, hands-on labs, and sample code, find us at aka.ms/masteringthemarketplace.